What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on quiet mode on Instagram. So this new feature will really help you. This feature lets you pick a time from a day or the week when you don't want to get distracted by the notifications, and enabling this mode, like your profile's activity states will be changed, and an automated reply will be sent if someone messages you. So this feature will make the app less distracting and help you reduce your screen time. Now, how you can turn on this feature? Now, this is very quick and simple, guys. All you have to do is follow these exact steps and you will be able, guys, to turn on quiet mode on your Instagram. Now, you want to open your Instagram account, as you can see. After that, guys, you want to click on three little lines in the top right. And after that, guys, you want to click on settings, and after that, guys, you want to click on notifications. Now you will see here something called quiet mode. Okay, I have it on my other accounts, but I don't have it on this specific account because some people don't have it. That's why I made this video. I want to show you how you can turn this on for those who have it, and also how to get it if you don't have it. Now, in case you don't see here quiet mode, if you see it here, just click on it and toggle it on. Okay, now if you don't see here quiet mode, like below pause all, you will see here quiet mode. If you don't see it, don't worry, just go back and then click three little lines in the top right, and then you want to click on settings, and then you want to click on help, and then you want to click on report a problem. Okay, now what you want to do, guys, you want to toggle this on. As you can see where it says Chic font to report a problem, you want to toggle this on. Now, after you toggle this on, you want to go back, click on three little lines in the top right, settings, go back to the same settings, click on notifications, and you want to shake your phone, move it quickly like this, and this will pop up. And after you do this, you want to click on report a problem, and here you have to click on include and continue. Now, after you click on include and continue, you want to click on hi Instagram, I can't see the new feature quiet mode. Okay, a new feature quiet mode, please fix this. So you just have to type something like this. You don't have to type the same thing. You just want to say, hi Instagram, I can see the new feature quiet mode on my Instagram, please fix this, and then click send in the top right. Now they will get back to you, guys, within a few hours, and you will be able to add quiet mode on your Instagram. Now, hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. So please, guys, be patient to come back to this video within 24 hours, or it depends. Sometimes Instagram fixes this quickly, sometimes it takes longer, like 24 hours. So drop a like and see